Welcome to Activity 1, Creating a Culturally Inclusive Hotel Guide. This activity invites people to step into the role of a hotel manager, thinking practically and compassionately about how to make every guest feel seen, respected, and welcome. The task is to develop a simple but meaningful set of internal guidelines for hotel staff, aimed at supporting cultural and religious inclusivity in daily operations. To begin, participants are encouraged to think beyond the obvious aspects of guest service. This means looking closely at the diverse needs guests may have that are rooted in personal beliefs, faith traditions, and cultural habits. These could include dietary restrictions, daily prayer routines, modesty expectations, and holiday observances, things that may not be spoken aloud, but that can shape a guest's entire stay. For instance, some guests may follow halal or kosher dietary laws, requiring staff to be mindful not just of food ingredients, but of preparation methods and cross-contamination. Others may need access to quiet, private areas for prayer or meditation. Some may refrain from alcohol, pork, or certain meats. Others may require specific room arrangements during sacred days, or appreciate small gestures like being provided with a prayer mat or being informed of local worship times. Working in small groups, participants begin to brainstorm potential cultural or religious needs that may arise in a hotel setting. After identifying these needs, the group is tasked with crafting a set of 5 clear, respectful, and realistic service guidelines. Each guideline should be something a new employee could understand and apply immediately, practical steps that can be followed consistently to improve cultural inclusion. For example, a guideline might say, offer guests the option of halal, vegetarian, or alcohol-free meals when available, and clearly label ingredients. Another might be, keep printed lists of nearby places of worship at the front desk for easy guest access. The finished hotel guide should feel like a real training tool, direct, thoughtful, and rooted in everyday hospitality work. The goal is not to solve every challenge, but to create a foundation for culturally inclusive service that empowers staff to recognize and respond to guests' deeper, often unspoken needs. At the end of the activity, each group shares their top 5 guidelines and explains the thinking behind them. Through this exchange, participants will discover a wide variety of cultural considerations and learn practical ways to embed respect and awareness into daily hotel operations.